Who would have thought that desserts cook beautifully outside on your barbecue? Did you know that your Spirit 2 can bake an endless range of incredible desserts, breads, and pastries? Your Spirit 2 is incredibly versatile. In just moments, you can create indirect heat, so you can use it just like an oven. We are going to cook some scrumptious mixed berry cobblers on the Spirit 2. You'll need to follow these simple steps to prepare your Spirit 2 for baking. As with all Weber barbecues, it's important to first preheat your Spirit 2. To light your barbecue, turn your gas bottle on. Turn the left-hand control knob to the start high position and then immediately press your igniter button. To ignite the other burners, simply turn the gas control knobs to high. When preheating for baking, leave the outside burners on high and set the inside burner to low. Preheat with the lid closed for 10 minutes. Let's get started on these cobblers. Into a bowl, mix together self-raising flour, unsalted butter and caster sugar. Using your fingertips, rub this mixture together until it resembles fine breadcrumbs, just like this. Add the buttermilk and some vanilla, then stir to combine. The mixture will form into a wet dough. Once this is done, set it aside. In a separate bowl, mix together strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, caster sugar and a little splash of vanilla. Gently stir the berries to combine. Equally divide the berry mixture between 4 ramekins. To make sure we get as many berries in as possible, gently compact the berries into the ramekins. Top with the cobbler mixture and then sprinkle with flaked almonds. Once your Spirit 2 is preheated, turn the centre burner off. Adjust the outside burners to 1 notch greater than medium. Place the berry cobblers onto a baking tray for easy manoeuvring, and then place the tray onto the barbecue. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes with the lid down, until the tops are golden and cooked through. Dust the cobblers with icing sugar and serve with thickened cream. They look sensational, and guess what? They taste even better. Remember, further information on your Weber Spirit 2 and this full recipe can be found in your barbecue handbook or on our website.